Hi, I am Tasimul Haq, a student from Department of Mechanical and Production Engineering at Arsenal University of Science and Technology. And my one big disruptive idea on the use of data and digitization in supply chain management system is to develop a web-based application to monitor the entire supply chain process of a plant. Leading organizations have long recognized that the key to success in supply chain management is connectivity and information system. However, we are now learning is that there is a dimension to data and information that enables supply and demand to be matched in multiple markets, often with tailored products, in ever shorter time frames. This extension of the information system beyond the classical dimensions of simple planning and control enables time and space to be collapsed through the ability to link the customer directly to the supplier and for the supplier to react faster in real time to deal with complex problems. Now, from the value chain diagram of Unilever, we can conclude that Unilever's supply chain process has key components like sourcing raw materials, manufacturing, logistics, sales, and consumer end. Now let's talk about how we can impose data and digitization in the supply chain system to monitor and maintain it through a digital interactive app. To understand detailed information about the app, we will be discussing it on multiple levels such as working principle of the app, access point and monitoring, and feasibility of the app. Now we will talk about the working principle of the application. The application will have different blocks of a supply chain process from raw materials to the consumer's end. Under the every block process there will be subsections or tasks assigned by the relevant managerial body of each sector. Upon the completion of each task, the project manager will checkmark the tasks. When all tasks of a block is completed, it will be automatically assigned to the successive block in the chain and notify the manager. Only after all the tasks from each block is completed, a project will be marked as 100% done. Secondly, we will discuss about the access points and monitoring. Here, an access point system has been implemented that is best suited for a fast-moving consumer goods company like Unilever. Here we can see that the access points has been distributed into 4 levels. First comes the admin level. Admin level figures will have access over the entire platform and has access to all other levels to monitor their works. Second, executive level. Their work is monitoring over the employee level and assigning them with tasks. Third, employee level. Their work is to complete the task and submitting the work on time. Fourth comes the consumer level. Only access to logistics for checking product availability and arrival time is the only access that the consumer level can have. Finally, feasibility of the app. Now the big question is if this app is feasible to implement in the real life. The answer is of course it is. If you look at the system, it only includes the governing personnel of the organization who are mostly responsible for the organization's behavior style. As it is a web-based application, so the user will be able to use the app in their mobile devices, laptops or personal computers. The app will be connected to a server mainframe which will contain all the data inputs, so whenever a user needs any set of data, they will have the access to it immediately. With this app, a sales manager can directly view the manufacturing plant's situation before giving any commitment to the customers. If there is a plant failure or delay, the higher management will be able to directly monitor where the assigned tasks are incomplete and take necessary measures to solve it. Main goal of a supply chain system is to increase efficiency and effectiveness of any system, and by this digital application all the blocks of a supply chain can share and acquire information within least amount of time delay, because to keep up with this fast pacing world we have to make the best of our time, and by this application we can achieve that. Thank you.